Another story this morning that the tech world has its eye on, and the automotive world too, and that's Tesla. CEO Elon Musk taking to Twitter to defend his controversial performance on the auto company's latest conference call. Phil LeBeau is in Chicago with more on that. Phil.
And John, Tesla shares finally moving a little bit higher after bottoming out basically at the end of yesterday. Here are a couple of the tweets that Elon Musk put out this morning talking about why he acted the way he did on the earnings call the other day. First, it's important to know that Tesla is the most shorted, meaning most bet against stock on the market, and has been for a while. That's true. Nobody's disputing that. His other tweet, and there were about 4 or 5 this morning, the two questioners I ignored on the Q1 call are sell-side analysts who represent a short seller thesis, not investors. They do not have a short seller thesis, the two analysts, by the way, Tony Sacconaghi and Robert Spack. They both have a hold rating, essentially, on Tesla, and there are far more bearish analysts out there, believe me. The whole question here is what's going on with the Model 3. Those were a lot of the questions he didn't want to answer. And Musk points out, look, they have roughly 500,000 reservations. I think a little more than 450,000 is what they're saying officially. And he says, look, it's going to take at least 2 years to meet demand. So people should not be focusing on whether or not they are going to go down to zero in terms of deliveries. As you take a look at shares of Tesla, keep in mind that for Tesla, the key metric that they're focused on, hitting 5,000 per week in terms of Model 3 production in about 2 months. Many thought that, their original target, the end of June, is when it would happen by. Tesla said during the earnings call, in about 2 months. So it may not happen by the end of June. Now they're saying, whether it's July, late July, whatever it might be, that is their target for Model 3 production.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.